Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb, and today we're looking at the Owlery crate from the Wizarding Trunk, and I'm super excited about it. It's been an age since I've opened up one of these, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. I've literally just... Okay, cheat sheet on the top, and ooh, exciting things inside. All right, I'll just pull them out one at a time. So how's your summer been? It's been quite nice to see it for us here in the northwest. Not brilliant. There's been quite a lot more rain than I would have liked, unlike the rest of the country, which has been basking in beautiful sunshine constantly and having heat waves and stuff. We have not. So we've got a great big book cover. Look how cozy. And this is like, what's the word I'm looking for? Quilted. And it's so cool, the study of advanced potion making. And on the back, various different bottles and your pestle and mortar. That is lovely. Very nice. I will find somewhere for that. Okay, next we have an intriguing little green box. Don't get those very often. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Ooh. Oh my God, it's an actual ring. All right, let me get you in closer. Okay, I feel like I have to apologise for the state of my mouse mat. I had Sherlock and Watson both sleeping on this, and accordingly, it's pretty gross. Okay, that's snake ring. Got a little eye on the head of the snake. Cool looking thing. Not something I would ever personally wear, but yeah, it's there. For those of you who enjoy that kind of stuff. Next, however, is one of these beautiful charms. This time it's a cauldron, and how lovely. Oh, that's so nice. Are we at the last one now, I wonder? It's got to be getting close, right? We've had quite a few of those now. I'm keeping them all and waiting for the day that I get something to attach them to. All right, we've got a potion and bubble wrap. Oh, and it's the good stuff, the really good stuff. I love popping bubble wrap. It's an addiction. Okay, all right. Wow, what is this? It doesn't have a label. Look how beautiful the contents are. Oh my goodness, that's just a lovely thing to have anywhere. Bathroom, kitchen, on a shelf. Okay, maybe we'll get more information about that. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, nice. Oh no, it's a draft of despair. Okay, well, I don't want to put that out into the world, but, you know, it is still cool, and it says vial incantatum on the top. Okay, check it. I can keep it still. There we go. Draft of despair. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to put that next to my other dark art type of things. Okay. All right, next we have another intriguing brown box. This one's longer. Okay, more bubble wrap. Oh, oh, lovely. Okay, so I did do a sweep recently of various potions, but these I have kept because they're just things of beauty, aren't they? This says C. Burke Locket 1926. Okay, love that. Might be my favourite thing so far. Oh, look at this. Elite Member SC. Wow, that is super nice. Look at the colour on it as well. And it's so beautifully made. It's proper hefty. 2 pins on the back. Yeah, that is lovely. Okay, next, Wand of Lily. Oh, what a beautiful box too. Look at this. Okay. Right then, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know, that is absolutely beautiful. This is the nicest wand, personally, I've ever seen. This speaks to me. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's beautifully painted. And all of these vines going up it with lily trumpets on. It's like a peace lily. Oh my God, I love that so much. Okay, new favourite item, for sure. Okay, let's have a look at the paper items. Catastrophic bridge collapse sparks national inquiry. Second mysterious death is an actual newspaper. Oh, wow. Okay, that's so fun. Oh, I love that. Okay, well, that's something fun to read, isn't it? Imagine just sitting on the metro or, I don't know, on a train or something, or a bus and getting this out. People would be looking at you like you're a lunatic, or just completely and utterly fascinated and wanting to get their own copy. Okay, that's brilliant. Okay, we've got a potion sheet. This is for the preparation of the living death draft. Nice. And that, oh, God, that's beautiful. Oh, that's such a beautiful print. My goodness, this is a great box. I love this. Do you know, I often wonder if I end up in an old people's home, which, likelihood is I probably won't live that long. But if I did end up in an old people's home and got kind of confused and, dazed, whether I would think that these things had actually happened to me, that I might have lived in Norath and fought dragons, or I might have been a wizard. I don't know. That sounds kind of fine to me. I wouldn't mind that type of dementia. All right, and then last but not least, we have this stripy, cool-looking thing. Whoa, okay. That's quite heavy. Let's see. Oh my God, what? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my God. That is just ridiculously funny. We've got an armchair with some little feet sticking out the bottom. Oh my God, is that what's his name? Slughorn's pajama. It is, isn't it? It's his pajama sofa. What on earth? That is so much fun. All right. Well, I don't even know. I don't know. Look at the little collar on it, like a shirt collar or pajama jacket. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Let's summarize. Okay, so this is an overstuffed armchair. It doesn't say who made it, but cute. The non-magical newspaper was designed by Wizardry Workshop. Kel Surprise. Love that channel. Do check it out if you don't already. The Elite Member Pin was by Dragonair Designs. The Cauldron Charm is the 6th. Oh, the 7th box will contain the bracelet for all the charms you've collected. Cool. The Destroyed Serpent Ring. And doesn't say who's designed that. The Living Death Potion page was Wizardry Workshop. The Cave Watercolour was by Giza Graphics. And that is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then the Draft of Despair was by Pure Blood Apothecary, also very cool. And then we have the Burke Locket vial, which was bottled by the Pure Blood Apothecary. Oh, wait, I just found something at the bottom of the box, and it's a wine glass charm thing. Not that we drink wine in this house, but if we did, and it would be a fun thing to have, just, whatever you drink. Oh, she's broken it. 1 second. Clumsy as. All right then. So it's a little cauldron with B&B on it. Wait, there we go. That's better. So you can see it's super shiny. And yeah, you put that around the stem of your glass. Ooh, okay. I was just looking at the cheat sheet thinking, wait a second, I haven't seen that. Okay, as we've got the Draft of Despair, which again, also Pure Blood Apothecary, gorgeous. The Book Pocket, ooh, that was designed by Storm Sparrow, also extremely cool. However, no doubt about it, my favourite thing ever, maybe from them or anybody, is the wand. Oh my God. And do you know what? It's so weird because I was thinking the other day, that golden, wait, I'll get it. The golden wand holder that came, I don't know which box that was, last box before. I still haven't put a wand in it, and I don't think this one, no, it's not going to stick because it's too thin at the bottom. But oh my goodness, maybe I can find a way. Ooh, I can find a way. Maybe not as intended, but hey. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, this is undoubtedly my favourite thing. The detail on it, I can't describe, honestly. It's so well done. And it's, nature themed, so I'm all about it. All right, well, that covers everything. Do let me know what was your favourite thing and which is the one that will go in your charity bag, if any. And I'll see you soon for the next video. Take care and stay safe, everybody.